India's infrastructure has improved significantly in recent years, highlights a report by Morgan Stanley. The investment banking company has anticipated a 15.3% compounded annual growth rate in infrastructure investments in India. The growth is projected to result in a cumulative expenditure of almost $1.45 trillion in India over the next 5 years. The surge in investment, as per the company, is expected to significantly boost the investment rate in the new India infrastructure. In the report, the company said, and I quote, "Infrastructure investment is the backbone of an economy, and India has not only increased its investments on infrastructure in the last decade, but also has worked on improving their productivity. Nonetheless, there is still much headroom for increasing both size and productivity, and recent government policies have been a step in the right direction. From the investment perspective, we expect a 15.3% CAGR in infrastructure investments." The report also highlighted a special reference of comparison with China, where India compares favorably to China. The report projects Indian infra to rise from 5.3% of GDP in the fiscal year 2024 to 6.5% by fiscal year 2029. As of the current fiscal, India's GDP is 19% of China's. The report indicates that India's physical infrastructure is not significantly lagging behind China's when considering the size of their respective economies. Experts believe that China's infrastructure and real estate has largely been funded by debt, which eventually in the long term resulted in huge problems for the economy recently. India can avoid that situation by investing in both equity and debt form and limiting the cap of debt or making it more disciplined in the long term. India's infra bonds, though, have seen a steady rise in the last few years and keen retail investor interest too. Companies like National Highway Authority of India have been at the forefront of India's infrastructure development. Experts also believe that this report might increase the sale and purchase of India's infrastructure bonds. So, will this report boost your infra bond spends? Will you buy some infrastructure bonds going forward? Please let us know in the comments section and stay tuned to LiveMint for more such updates.